still in possession. Cross comes in. Gordon! Yes! Anthony Gordon! Oh, no. It's no! No! That's how the thing!
Get out, Harry Maguire! Piss off! Piss off, Harry Maguire! You useless piece of shit!
Oh, look at it. Look how easy it is. Oh, fuck! Come on. Put the ball in. Come on! Yeah! 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 Come on! Yes! Fucking come on! Yes! Come on! Yes! Come on! Yes! Come on! Yes! Fucking come on! Yes! Come on! Come on! Yes! Come on! He's onside! Come on!
Got it! Yes! We're going to the World Cup final! Gordon! Oh my god, it's happening! It's happening! What a ball! Yes! Oh my god, it's happening!
로저스! 와! 고든! 와! 고든! Yo! Wow, that counter-attacking was so fast! That counter-attacking was really fast! Yeah! And then Tuchel used Morgan Rogers on the right, and that is working right now. That's worked. Yo! From Kane? Oh, nice. From Kane to Rogers, and actually from Kane to Rice to Rogers to Gordon. Oh my god. Kane really did the most important job.
Where is he though? Where is he?
And then now there's a ball in the box. Gordon! Come on!
1-0 England! Come on! Anthony Gordon!
Yes!
Anthony Gordon has just put England 1-0 up. Lovely!
Hey!
First shot on goal.
Argentina hold that one!
First shot on target. Lovely.
What a cross. Who put that in?
Rogers.
Yeah.
Come on!
Hey. Starting position justified.
Yeah,
he's
thankfully
onside
this was
as well.
followed in. Yeah, this was followed in. It needed to be.
England. At Max though no, ek do super shotted bro $5. I don't mind getting roasted. We have to shave if family members die.
1-0 chat.
But still I don't hate getting roasted. Tears of joy.
1-0 chat. Now as you can see, I'm not very celebrating much because it is Gordon, a Barcelona player, so
Jumping to try and clear it, but England still in possession. Cross comes in. Gordon! Yes! Anthony Gordon! It's coming up! Football's coming home! Come on, son! Come on! Let's go! It's over! They're not coming back! It's over! England's going to the final!
Right, Gordon scored. What a fucking finish. Right, that was cold. That was fucking cold, bruv. That was cold. What a goal. What a fucking goal. Man said Messi. Get out of here, Leanne, about Messi tears. My 2-1 in extra time is still on. Yeah, you want to piss Messi off? It's a long day, mate. Look at Jordan Henderson giving it the vote. Look at Victoria Bird. Why are we seeing the Beckham family?
Stop the cross, blood. Oh my god.
Get Messi. Ball. Oh no, 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 Enzo! No! 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 That's what I was afraid of! That's what I was afraid of! I said it! Don't let him shoot! I said it! He's been shooting all flipping day! He's been shooting all flipping day! Are you man crazy? I told you! Don't let him shoot! He's been doing 3 of them in the game already!
What? Wow, Enzo Fernandez! Guys, I told ya. I told ya. Always last minute Argentina gonna score. I told ya. I told ya. I knew it. I knew it. Enzo Fernandez!
Let's see. Again, shoot, shoot. Oh my god! I told you just shoot from far, fam! I told you just shoot from far! I told you guys just shoot from far! Oh my god, 85th minute. Now why am I kind of celebrating? I'm not celebrating, but what? Come on, man! Enzo goddamn Fernandez. Hey, 1-1. You know what? You know what? Fair play, fair play. I mean, it was expected. Tuchel, what are you doing?
He does not have a right foot.
Oh my god.
That's all he knows.
I fucking knew it, man!
What did I say? What did I say, man? What
You
did I
lot saw
fucking
him
say?
do that
What did I
14
fucking
times
say?
today.
But this is what I'm saying, the subs, man.
14
The subs, they're too
times.
negative. You can't just sit back against these. They're creating chances. That's the problem. They're fucking creating chances. Now look at the team left to go into extra time. You can't just, bruh. I'm sorry. In the end of the day, football prevails. It's not like Mexico where they were shutting them out. Argentina have created chances at will. At will. And your response is to go even more defensive, man. Come on.
I'm gonna be sick. I'm gonna be sick. I'm gonna be sick. They fucking equalized, and it's Enzo Fernandez, and what a goal it was. I'm gonna be sick. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Here we go. You gotta lock in now. Please, God, no. He's hitting them with the freaking Messi, but freaking let me hear you celebration too. Oh my goodness.
Bobby! Ball, Bacasta, no! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! We've lost. We've lost. We lost. We lost. We lost. We lost. We lost. Are we flipping serious? We lost. We lost.
Messi. I don't believe. Give the award to the biggest dumbass of this entire tournament. Give it to Tuchel.
How many times is McAllister gonna hit the post goal? Why don't I just shut the fuck up? Why don't I just shut the fuck up? Why not? They're gonna win. England have bottled it. This is fucked, bro. This is fucked. Tuchel literally sold. It's over. They lost. What? King Oliver Smith. Let me hear it, bro. Come on. Let me hear it. I deserve it. I will cry. I will cry harder. I cannot fucking believe this, man. Every time fucking Nico Gonzalez comes onto the bastard pitch, the game changes. Every single fucking time.
They smell blood. Goal. Yep, see? Told you. Goal. Fucking told you. Look, 2-1. Lautaro Martinez. 2-1. Game over. 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 It's done. Game over. I literally said they're going to fucking win it in 90 minutes. Right after fucking McAllister hit the fucking post. What the fuck did I say? They're going to fucking win it. Lautaro Martinez, he's won it for them. 2-1. We're going home again. It's not coming home. We're coming home. Yeah? It's not coming home. We're coming home. Yeah? It's not coming home. We're coming home, bruv. Yeah? Look at that. I fucking said it. I said it. I said it. I said it. As soon as McAllister hit the post, I said they're going to win it. They're going to win it. Watch. They're going to win it. Look. Look, as soon as that ball went in, look, no one's stopping the cross. No one's going out to the cross. Lazy, tired players. Ball goes in. Free man gets in between the two fucking defenders. Free header. And bang, there it is. Lautaro is not missing that. Messi assist. Oh, fucking hell, man. Messi assist, bruv.
What's the pause? 야, 이거 진짜. 와! GG, bros. This is Argentina. This is Argentina. Argentina always playing like this. Always. This is Argentina. It's not surprising. GG. It's always. Cabo Verde against Cabo Verde against Egypt. Argentina was always playing like that. But England didn't prepare it. So, I mean, it's not surprising. 항상 이랬죠. 아르헨티나 이집트전도 이렇게 이겼고 카보베르데전도 이렇게 이겼어요. 이거는 잉글랜드가 너무 안일했다라고밖에 볼 수 없을 것 같아요. 이거는. 이거는 잉글랜드 didn't prepare about it.
Look at this!
Look at this!
You ain't even getting there!
Fucking hell! Look at this! Look at this!
Nah, England are
Bruv!
England are so fucking.
There you go! And there you fucking go!
Oh my god.
See?
Lautaro, the biggest bottler, has turned up at the biggest moment and fucking delivered.
They deserve it! That's what's fucking pissing me off! They deserve it! They battered England this second half! Fuck's sake! Shit! Rubbish, man. Rubbish. Rubbish. This is why I hate you. I hate you for getting me invested in this shit team.
What did I do? That's your
Take this shit off, man.
Yo, come on, man. You're Nigerian, bro.
I am Nigerian, but I was supporting, rooting for them. Like, I'm so
Messi took that personal, bro. All right, don't let McAllister shoot. Oi! Yo, hold that. Listen to the Argentine, Gav. Can you hear him? Hear that? Essentially, they're in my fucking street, mate. Yeah? Fucking hold that, you fucking overpaid cunts.